Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day's going fantastic. Thanks so much for joining me. Well, yesterday was release day over at Papertrey Ink, and today I thought I would share with you everything that's in the release. And I also created a few demo projects to show you what each thing can do. The release is so summery and so much fun. I think you're going to really enjoy it. So I'm going to put everything to the side and we're going to start with this die set here. The first thing that I'm going to share with you is a die set that is huge. There's 31 pieces in the picnic time die set. This set creates hot dogs, hamburgers, french fries. It also creates watermelon and pies. So much fun. There's even a pie wedge or a slice that you can cut out a pie with. There's a plate to put the hot dog and burger on. So much fun. There's some stars. Today I created a little demo here. I created the pie and then the ice cream. There's popsicles too in there. These are blueberries that you can use. There's some stars. I created a, on the packaging there was a 4th of July pie. I thought that was super cute, so I recreated it here. There's our hot dog. I mean, you can't go wrong with hot dog and french fries. These are pickles that go for the burger, but I added them to my plate. And then this is our watermelon. So this is the picnic time die set. Next, I want to share with you another die set. This die set is the Reflections for May 2024. And I love the detail that this has, but there's even more when you die cut it out because there's cut lines. Let me show you. You see the edge, how detailed it is? Because those are cut lines. So beautiful and pretty. There's 3 different sizes. I'm going to layer all 3 of these together. They go great layered together or individually as backgrounds for your projects. Those are the Reflections dies. It's a 3-piece set for May 2024. Now, speaking of reflections, every month Papertrey Ink has a Reflections stamp set that goes with the die set. The largest die in the set will be perfect place to stamp your reflections greeting or sentiment. This is 2 Corinthians 5:7, for we walk by faith, not by sight. So beautiful, and it fits on that largest beautifully. That's the Reflections for May 2024 die set. Okay, next up we have a greeting stamp set. We have the Life's a Picnic stamp set along with the coordinating die set. The only greetings that the die set doesn't cut out are these secondary, or I would say even inside greetings. These 2 here, but the rest are die cut out. I actually cut them out. Again, this is Life's a Picnic, and it will cut out some fabulous greetings, great for picnicking, and for friendship too, and for 4th of July. Have a happy 4th of July. This actually goes great with picnic time. So if you wanted to create a card and add a greeting to the picnic time, I think that's a great set to do this. But it's all around. If you have a flag die, that would be great for this too. So that is the stamp and die set called Life's a Picnic. Next up we have a corner die set. This is the Summer Sun 2-piece set, and it creates some sunshines for corners. But you know what the nice thing about the corners is, if you were to die cut 4 and layer them like this, it would create a nice sunshine for your background panel. I put my example in the corners, but it's so much fun. I just love how summery this looks. And that is just 2 die sets can do so much. You can put them in opposite corners. You can just do the top, or you could just do the bottom. And again, if you were to flip them towards each other, it would create a round sun. So much these 2 dice can do. This is the Summer Sun corner die set. And then we have a Summer Sun Elegant Edges. This cuts out this beautiful bouncy edge here, and then you can add your sunshine to this this corner piece. You can see it's 2 pieces. Technically you don't have to separate them. I separated mine just so I can create a background with it. But I think this looks beautiful on card bases. If you were, and you can go as high or low as you want with this. Let me show you. You see how it's lowered, but you can raise it up. But that alone just says sunshine to me. So that is the Elegant Edges Summer Sun die set, 2 pieces. Next up we have an Into the Blooms die set. This is Into the Blooms Violets. It's 10-piece set, long stems, 2 leaves, and then it creates 3 layerable violets, and then 1, I would say side profile violet here, and then you have some flower centers. This is my example I get to share with you. I didn't do the side profile violet, but aren't they so pretty? I just inked this is a trio of purple cardstock, but I just inked the edges with blue. So much fun, and I just love how easy these are to put together. And then the flower centers are very dainty. And that is the Into the Blooms Violets die set. Next, we have 2 new hot foil plates. This is called Through the Palms. It has some side palm trees. I went ahead and foiled mine. You can see how beautiful the palm trees are. Plenty of room to add something in the middle. Add scene, ink blend the background. This is the Through the Palms hot foil plate. And then we also have another hot foil plate that's called Shoreline Finds. This one would be great to watercolor or to use some markers with. But look how beautiful that is. So many different seashells in here. Just gorgeous. And this is the Shoreline Finds hot foil plate. Next up, we have a stamp set that I would call 6x8. This actually has 2 4x6 stamp sets in it. So scream summer. And I love the bathing suits in here. It's so cute. It's called Suited for Summer. There's some clotheslines. There's some clothespins, lots of sunglasses, lots of bathing suits. There's even a summer sun hat. And here's the example that I created with the clothespins. Look how fun the bathing suits are. Oh my gosh, I just loved creating this. And I loved all the layers to it. I do want to mention, this is new to Papertrey Ink, but I love that they do this. Okay, on the stamp sets now, let me take one out and show you. Okay. On the stamp sets, you'll notice they have numbers and letters. This is 1A, so you would stamp this. Your next layer would be 1B. Okay? After you have your 1B, you're looking for 1C, which would be this one here. So 1A, 1B, 1C, and that is your stamp. To create this bathing suit, you have 2A and 2B. To create the bathing suit trunks, you have 4A, 4B, and you have 4C. This creates lines, and it says optional on there, which is nice. So it's not you don't necessarily have to add the optional one. So much fun. And then look at this one. These ones, this is a bathing suit that goes with 2A. You can add polka dots to it. But you see how it has optional on there? And then you have the bathing suit trunks here, which is 3A. You would add 3B if you want to, or you can just do a solid color. So all of these are marked. So it makes layering super duper easy. You know exactly how many layers go with each suit. For example, this suit had 3 layers. You had the base layer, you have the stripes, and then you have the button area, and then the ruffles on top. So let me show you. This one is 10A. You have 10B, which is the buttons, and then 10C is optional. And I opted for the stripes. And then there's actually little bows that you can add to the bathing suit too. There's one up here that you can add also to this bathing suit if you wanted to. So sky's the limit. You have several different sunglasses, which are super fun, and of course a clothespin. And then there's lots of greetings. Nice thing is, the greetings you can die cut out. So all the greetings in here, there's dies for. So super duper fun. I think this would be fun if you create an entire background with bathing suits. But this is the Suited for Summer 6x8 stamp set along with the coordinating die set. We have another super duper fun stamp set that's perfect for summertime. If you like sweet treats like I do, you'll love it. This is called Frozen Delights, and it creates like an ice cream kind of a store. You have a valance that the die set will create. So this is the base piece. On here, it's actually the pink, and then I die cut out this one with red cardstock, and I layered it on there. There is a fold line here where I folded it to give this a little bit of dimension. And that creates like an ice cream kind of a shop theme. So much fun. You have a banner right here that you can stamp any color you want. And then you have the coordinating die that will cut it out. And then you have a whole bunch of frozen treats. There's a smoothies, strawberries, cherries, lemons, or limes. Then you have soft serve ice cream. You also have an umbrella for your smoothie. You can make it tropical if you wanted. And then you have regular ice cream. This is the regular ice cream, and then this is the soft serve. So much fun. And then there's a few greetings with that same curve as the banner. You have Hope Your Birthday is Sweet. You're the sweetest. Let's meet for a sweet treat. How cute is that? Let's meet for a sweet treat. And this is the Frozen Delights stamp set. It's also a 6x8 stamp set, along with the coordinating die set, which I would say has a specialty die in there. So that's another fabulous stamp set. Last but not least, we have a brand new stencil collection. This is a 5-piece stencil collection that creates a very fun summery bathing suit background. And this is what it looks like when it's stenciled. It was I love this. I think it was super neat to create. But you know what the neat thing is about the Suited for Summer stencil collection? You know, we have the Suited for Summer stamp set where we created our background, where we created this. Okay, they go lovely together. But the die set, I would call this a suite, because the die set will actually cut out the bathing suits in here. Not this hat. It will cut out this hat. Let me show you. It will cut out this hat here. It will also cut out this bathing suit here. Right here. It cuts out this. It will cut out the glasses. There's 2 glasses in here. Let me show you. This die set will cut these out also, along with these. Okay, and then it will cut out both the bathing suits. So if you wanted to add a little dimension to your background and create another one, actually I might do that in my first video because I really like the way this looks. But if you want to stencil 2 of these panels, die cut one out and leave some layering with it, you can add a lot of dimension with it. So with the Suited for Summer die set. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, that is everything in the Papertrey Ink's May 2024 release. I hope you get a chance to check it out. I'll list Papertrey Ink Shop down below. Everything is available in the shop. Like I said, the release went live yesterday, so all the links are good. I know last month I did a release video, but they weren't available until later on that evening. But today they are good to go. If you want to check it out and do a little browsing, I'll leave that link down below. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a fabulous day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.